Hi guys, welcome to binary programming. So today in this video we will see the transformation of JSON to Excel. So let's first see our sample JSON input. So here we can see I am having inventory data that have category like books, veggies and toys, and here for each category I am having area wise stock details. So here if you'll see for book category I am having area like US and PK and UK, and for this also I am having a different stock details. So and for veggies and toys also it is there. So from this JSON I want to generate a Excel, and in Excel for each category wise I want a separate sheet that have respective product details. Like for book category, for this books category I want a sheet that should have these three products inside that, and same goes with veggies and toys. Okay, so let me just show you the sample Excel that I am having. So here if you'll see I have books, veggies, toys and fruits, and for this each products I am having a respective product details inside that. Okay, so let's see how exactly we can do this in data view. So here if you will see I have the sample application, and in this data view, so here if you will see I am having the same sample data that we have seen in Notepad. So if I will do payload, the same response it will come in the preview mode. We want to generate Excel, so we have to get a collection of each products or collection of same products. Okay, so for books I want a single collection that should have these three objects, and same goes with veggies and toys. Okay, so here if you will see we knows if this kind of separation is required, there is a function in data view is called group by. It is very useful operator to perform such logic. So here if I'll do payload and then group by on it, and as we know we want a separation on the basis of category. So here if I'll do $.group by, so in JSON we can see we got the response. Like for veggies we have separate list, for toys we have separate list, for veggies we have separate list, and same with the books. So for books three objects are there inside this books list. Okay, so with this we are done. So in data view we can understand how easy it is to do such kind of complex transformation, because if same logic or same stuff we have to perform in Java, then we have to write some line of codes and it becomes a little difficult. Okay, so here first I will convert this to Excel as we want our response as Excel. So we have this MIME type, I have selected this, and as in previous section we cannot see the Excel. So let's run this. Let me just deploy it. So as application got deployed, let me hit this. So this is the endpoint, and here also I am having a same sample JSON. So send, and here we got this logger printed completed. So let me check to this location if file got written or not. So this is the location, and here we can see the file is written. Let me just open it. So here if you'll see we had three categories: books, veggies and toys, and for books we had three objects that are there in books sheet. Same with veggies we had one, and for toys also it was one. So yeah, with this we are completed with transformation. Thank you guys.